How far can a Chinese EV really go? Well, this BYD Dolphin just crossed 220,000 kilometers as a rideshare car, and the results might shock you. In Brazil, a rideshare driver named Mr. Elio has driven his BYD Dolphin more than 135,000 miles in just 2 years. This isn't just a fluke, it's proof that BYD might be onto something. This car runs a 94 horsepower motor, powered by a 45 kWh battery. It's rated for 251 miles of range, and it's still delivering that today. Despite the punishing daily grind of rideshare work, the Dolphin's brake pads and rotors are still original. Range? Still around 405 kilometers per charge. Major breakdowns? None reported. Maintenance included. Coolant and differential fluid change at 200,000 kilometers, brake fluid flush every 2 years. Routine maintenance is key, and it's paid off. The only real wear on the car would be its interior. After more than 100,000 miles worth of passengers, the faux leather, vinyl, could use a deep clean to remove the body oils and soil that have accumulated on the car. It's still generally clean and tidy though. That's impressive durability for a car that's working 12-hour shifts in real-world conditions. Like this video if you think EVs are proving their long-term value. Gilson didn't stop there. He's also documented a 100,000 kilometers Dolphin Mini or Seagull, which also performed well, except for a scraped underbody shield due to Brazil's rough roads. Outside of that, just a cabin air filter change. Simple, reliable. Gilson believes this Dolphin could hit 300,000 kilometers, or 186,000 miles, without major issues. And that's real-world proof that BYD's EVs aren't just cheap, they're built to last. This is a wake-up call. Chinese EVs are evolving, and fast. If you're ready for more honest, tech-savvy EV reviews from around the world, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with your network. Visit Zishopu.com for the latest in smart business, tech, and innovation. Tap the bell so you never miss the next big story in EV tech, only on SmartBiz Tech by Zishopu.